Our IA40-3 amplifier can support up to 3 speaker channels, left, center, and right, along with an active subwoofer using an LFE connection. You can use separate speakers for the different channels, or use a passive soundbar that supports up to 3 channels. Start by connecting the appropriate speaker cables to the supplied speaker block connector. Then, connect the speaker block connector to the amplifier. Depending on whether you're using 2 or 3 channels, select the mode using this switch. You can connect an active subwoofer to the IA40-3 for extra bass. Plug an LFE cable into the amplifier's sub-line out port. Then plug the other end into your subwoofer's LFE port. To use the amplifier's internal crossover, set at 120 Hz, set this switch to sub. To use an external subwoofer crossover, set the switch to line. Complete this setup using your subwoofer's instructions.